workshop is called From Thought to Touch and Back, and it's all about AI, neural interfaces, and sensory feedback for prosthetic devices. This is one of the most exciting frontiers in robotics and prosthetics today, and it focuses on making designs that feel more like a natural extension of the body.
This workshop will explore how to bridge the technical, clinical, and societal gaps that still limit neuroprosthetic adoption.
Soft robotics, for example, has given us new ways to design devices that are lighter and safer for everyday use. AI and machine learning have also enabled more accurate and automated intent decoding from biosignals. And on the sensory side, we've seen prototypes that employ electro or vibrotactile stimulation, allowing users to actually feel what they're touching.
Specifically, it will tackle these challenges. First, reliable user intent detection via AI and multi-modal biosignals. Second, closed-loop sensory feedback and embodiment. Third, integration of soft robotics and bio-inspired sensors for human-centric design. Finally, ethical frameworks for responsible deployment.
There's ongoing research into making control of these devices more intuitive, and designing more compliant and advanced sensors for prosthetic use is also a growing field of research. We're also navigating human-machine interaction and brain-computer interfaces and the ethical considerations that come with that. We look at soft robotics and how compliance can be used to enable many of the advances needed. For example, we explore different tactile sensors and e-skins and how they enhance observability, feedback, and interaction. We also delve into neural interfaces and how bridging neuroscience and robotics can lead to more intuitive brain-driven prosthetic control. Responsible deployment with a focus on ensuring safety, responsibility, and real-world applicability is also a key topic at our workshop. We've brought together an international team with organizers and speakers from top institutions spread across Asia, Europe, the Middle East, and the USA. Our program will feature talks and presentations from top researchers where they share their insight and experience on different topics. The workshop will conclude with an interactive plenary discussion focused on promoting the exchange of ideas and involving the audience. We're also hosting a poster session. This will be your chance to showcase your work, meet peers, exchange ideas, and start collaborations. Our workshop will take place on October 24th, 2025 in Hangzhou as part of IROS. We're looking forward to a day of exciting talks, interactive posters, and plenty of opportunities to network and collaborate.